In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone lag after iOS 26.4 update. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option Battery, click on the option Power Mode, toggle off for the option Low Power Mode in case it is enabled, because this can slow down your iPhone to save battery life. Next, launch your App Store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Scroll down. Here you're going to find the section of available updates. Click on the option Update All, since outdated apps can cause lag after a major iOS update. If your iPhone still feels slow, go back to Settings. Click on the option General. Now head over to the option Background App Refresh. Then turn off background app refresh to reduce system load and improve speed. Another important fix is restarting your iPhone properly. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the system and can clear temporary bugs causing lag. If the issue still continues, launch Settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage. You can offload unused apps, likewise delete unused apps in your device because low storage can significantly slow down your device. As a final step, you can reset all settings. Go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. This will not delete your personal files or photos, but it will reset system settings that may be causing performance problems. After trying these steps, your iPhone should run much smoother on iOS 26. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.